Our gumball machine has been a hit every day since the day we got it more than 5 years ago. We had it out at our garage sale last week too, and it got used by almost every customer. We fill this with everything from gumballs to chocolate to candies like our favorites, Mike and Ike's. And you can actually insert any coin you want into it, which is what we do at home when it's just for us. So let me show you just how easy this is to take apart and load and then reload. You simply unscrew this right here on top and you can leave it assembled, dump in your candy, and then just put the lid back on. Or if you need to, you can take off the whole bowl and the lid. Then to get to your coins on the bottom, you just have to unscrew the top and the hex nut to loosen up the entire unit. The entire thing is extremely sturdy, but only weighs 10 pounds, so it's easy to move anywhere we'd like.